Transform your website into an engaging masterpiece with stunning 3D animations that captivate your audience instantly. Webydo is a user-friendly platform perfect for effortlessly building captivating websites with dynamic 3D designs. Imagine crafting your website's animations just like assembling a toy house, all from the comfort of your computer. To begin, select the right 3D design software that integrates smoothly with the Webydo library for seamless creation. With your chosen software, design 3D animations directly in your browser, transforming your ideas into stunning visuals. Drag and drop the 3D parallax element onto your Webydo canvas and watch your design come to life effortlessly. Customize your 3D animation using the design panel, adjusting size and effects to create a captivating visual experience. Add multiple layers to enhance complexity, allowing each component to feature unique images and effects for depth. Make your website interactive, bringing it to life with animations that respond when visitors scroll through your content. By using Webydo, your website will not only look professional but also engage visitors, keeping them exploring.